Alright, so what's up everybody? We're down in Charleston today, trying out the new spreader truck. In the back of my mind I've been calling it Bumblebee, like a transformer. Cause it's yellow and dark gray, but it looks like yellow and black. It'd be all concrete dust for long probably. Anyway, it's a little rough start this morning. We figured out how to do it. It's working better. This bed is not a Stokes though. I would rather have a Stokes hands down, unless I learn something new about it. But I mean, it's working, and you know we got to get this job done. So I'm getting loaded up. I don't know why my phone's flickering on the numbers, but got 11,400 pounds, 450, 500. Guys loading me up. There's where we're spreading that. Charlie's over here tilling in. Alright, so I'm going over some of these controls. You got the bed auger bolts up top and the dial. I found if you turn that and the flat wheel delivery that's on the bottom both wide open, it won't spread out even. So for right now we got the bed auger wide open, got the flat wheel down. I got on 30 now. I had on about 40, but I started running low on powder, and you know I had to speed it up a little bit because powder wasn't coming out like it needed to. And like I say, with the Stokes beds, it's a little different. You just put in the percentage you want. But we found a way to get 23 pounds a square. They want about 45, so 2 passes. About what we'd have to do with the other truck. And we got a door valve, open and close, which is labeled backwards, or either wired backwards. Got 2 vibrators. This little switch right here, that's when you get down low, you flip it on high speed, and it speeds everything up to try to get the last out. Of course, the Vulcan scale's got 17,650 on now, 17,700. And that screen is not flickering like the video. It's something about the camera, I don't know. Put it down in low 1, hold it to the wood, and let it go. Bumblebee will spread it out. Alright, so I'll walk you through the steps. First thing I do is engage your bed to dump, which we're not dumping. Flip this to close all the way. That's actually opening the door. I like to put it in low 1. Then turn the bed auger on first. Then the delivery. So I'm doing 2 passes. Trying to get around 45 pounds to the square. So I'm headed down here for day number 2 with Bumblebee, I guess. I texted people, I ain't heard nothing back. It looked like on the radar we just got a little bit of rain down there. It's 2 hours away. Got about 1 inch of snow here around my house last night. But with the temperatures and all, I mean it's 32 degrees, so it might be sticking a little bit, but the road ain't got cold enough to be bad conditions, so head on that way. I'd rather turn around and go back home than be late. They call it off, you know. Our moisture content was a little slack yesterday, so it's hard to get that moisture content up anyway, right? Alright, so we got called off today. It may be a little wet. Bumblebee. We got 5 or 6 loads of powder in there. Got 2 loads of powder out there, but can't help Mother Nature. Charlie, this is all Jordan's fault. He come to work on time 2 days in a row this week. Snowing like hell now.